guys, what's up? Stephen here, and we're back to another Roblox tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how we can make a part that is changing from safe to unsafe. We're going to add that to our Roblox tutorial Obby. And I hope you can use it too on your games, whether it's a trap or some other sorts of mechanics in your game. So let's start. First off, what we need to do is we're gonna have, of course, set up your kill break, and then we're gonna use a script so we could test out uh, the idea that we have before we actually put it in our Roblox or in our collection service. So first off is let's do the usual stuff. And before that, we'll rename this. How would we rename this? Let's say this is kill 2. Oops, let's remove our tag so we can. So let's name our tile is equals to script dot parent. And of course, we would need safe is equals to, let's say, 5 seconds, and then unsafe is equals to 10 seconds. So what else do we need? We would also want, let's say, safe visual. We would want the safe visual to be, let's say, green. Let's get this color. Let's say local safe color. Yeah, we could use this. Just copy paste this. And then local safe material would be neon would be cool. Yeah, this is fine. And then unsafe visual would be red, and let's make this crack lava because this is also crack lava. So let's just get this back to really red. And now we have our, did we forget anything? So we have our script, our tile script. Oops. We have our safe visual and unsafe visuals. And then let's put our debounce is safe is equals, actually let's just is unsafe is equals to true. And then what we would want is a loop. Yes, we would want a loop. Let's see what, it's full of error, so I'm not sure why AI is recommending that, but let's do, or let's set a function first. So local function, and let's set unsafe. Then let's make it state. So is unsafe state is yes. So we're gonna, okay, let's check. So if this is the state, then it's gonna be unsafe color. Else it would be a safe material. Yeah, AI was good on catching this. This is what we want. And now how would we, ooh, it's giving us some options. But in any case, this is our debounce, and whether letting the game know that what is safe and not. And then what we need to do is a code for whenever the player touch it, that it should not kill the player or not make the player go to the checkpoint. Let's code, we're gonna have this on touch same script, or better yet, let's just tile that touch. I don't think we're gonna have that code that much or that many codes. Then connect. Let's make this function, make this heat. Then if not unsafe, if not unsafe, then return n. Actually, is unsafe, then return in n. And then, what was the code again for, yeah, this one, but I think we need to add like character here. Let's just add character here equals to hit dot parent and character and character find first child. If humanoid, then the help would be 0. And then this is where we would put our state while true do uh oops, not this one. So we're gonna set something, set safe, and then we're gonna set unsafe. This means we're gonna have to make it so that set unsafe is equals to false, which is this one, and then we're gonna have to task dot wait is equals to safe, which is this. And then we're just gonna copy this, make this true, then make it unsafe. And there we have it. Supposedly it's gonna be 5 and 10. Let's test this out. 5 seconds, it should turn. Let's see if we get knocked out. Okay, that's a good sign. Then let's see if it goes back to green in 10 seconds. Let's see. Oh, okay, then it's safe. Then as soon as it changed again, once we move, we're actually, I think, dead. Actually, that's a pretty good bug. But yeah, once we move, we're dead. Because it changed when we were there and we were not changing state. I'm curious. Maybe we could, let's see. We're gonna try that again and we're gonna try to jump. Maybe players can exploit this. Let's see. Yeah, they can jump, but as soon as they fall, it's gonna be game over. But yeah, maybe next time we'll do bug checking on that. But yeah, that's how you can make a changing platform into a safe and unsafe. Catch you on another video.